No Amola today. Come on, let's go on the bus. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. It's the fourth Sunday. So, you know what that means? We're doing our Cars and Coffee meet in Pinellas County. So, come to Urban Grounds with us. We got the Nonster with us.
Got our foster dog. It is a little bit rainy today, so I expect some people are going to be taking their daily drivers, which is fine. It's Cars and Coffee. It's just to hang out.
So,
let's go see what we see.
Let's check it out.
I hope that's the case. So, the transit, and so that's when you would have to.
Yeah, so now that's on those resting on those needle bearings. Now those needle bearings are turning because they're really the transition.
So that was what led me.
Cars and Coffee.
Already see the ears. Get out of my seat. Cars and Coffee was good.
Always is a good time at the Urban Grounds.
Let's go cruise around.
Let's check it out. Always Cars and Coffee is a good time.
Leads to extracurricular activities.
Yeah, usually it does. We're going to my buddy John's place because he has some extra parts that he might not need, and I may need some stuff for the 61. Let's check it out. Wow, things quick. Light bucket for the driver's side. Alright, John really hooked me up with some parts on the 61 I'm grateful for. So thank you very much, John. Volkswagen community is great, as always. So, getting the 61 going. More go on it.
Is it going to be ready for Buses by the Bridge 2027?
That's the goal. Mm-hmm. That's the goal. 2027, Buses by the Bridge. You gotta start cranking.
We're getting there.
Needs a lot of work, guys. Needs a lot of work.
Heading home. We'll see you later.
All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Get on those Volkswagens. And we will see you guys maybe on the road. Peace. I like it overcast.
Starting to rain.
Well, that does it. Got my parts and another great Tarpon coffee.